to do demo dummy.
The shop, I mean, you done it. Like, I don't know. It's not my son.
Back door is open, man.
Supposed to be.
Okay. Demo dummy, 45-second music run with a dummy head and 2 different mics, one for the left ear, one for the right ear. Damn, son. I need a demo of this thing.